Hi everyone. Today we're diving into something that's truly revolutionizing the way we create content: AI video generators. Whether you're a seasoned content creator, a business owner, or just someone looking to create eye-catching videos, this video is for you. By the end of this, you'll not only understand what AI video generators are but also how to use them to create amazing videos in no time. So, what exactly is an AI video generator? In simple terms, it's a tool that uses artificial intelligence to automatically create videos based on your input. This can be anything from text to images, and the AI does the heavy lifting, turning your ideas into a polished video. Imagine typing in a script or uploading a few photos, and voila, the AI generates a video that looks like it took hours to create. But it didn't, and that's the magic of AI. There are different types of AI video generators out there, as some work with text, others with images, and some offer a variety of templates to choose from. It's all about making video creation as easy and accessible as possible. Now, let's talk about why AI video generators are a game changer. First up, time saving. Imagine cutting down your video production time from hours to just minutes. AI takes care of the tedious tasks, leaving you more time to focus on creativity. Then there's accessibility. You don't need to be a video editing expert or have a fancy studio setup. These tools are designed for everyone, regardless of skill level. And let's not forget about cost effectiveness. Hiring a professional video editor or investing in expensive software can be pricey. But with AI video generators, you can achieve professional results without breaking the bank. Finally, AI can actually boost your creativity. It offers new ways to visualize your ideas and can inspire you to think outside the box. Alright, so you're sold on the idea of using an AI video generator. But what should you look for when choosing one? Let's break it down. First, a user-friendly interface. You want something that's intuitive and easy to navigate. If it feels like you need a manual to figure it out, it's probably not the best choice. Next, customization options. The best AI video generators offer plenty of flexibility, whether it's tweaking templates, adding your own music, or adjusting the color scheme to match your brand. And of course, quality of output. You want your videos to look sharp and professional, so make sure the tool supports higher resolution exports, like HD or even 4K. Lastly, consider the integration capabilities. The best tools will integrate smoothly with your other software, whether it's social media platforms, video editing tools, or cloud storage. Now, let's get hands-on. I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a video using an AI video generator. We'll start by choosing a platform. There are plenty out there. Once you're in, the first step is to input your content. You can type in your script, upload images, or even paste a link to an article. Next, it's time to customize your video. Pick a template, add music, and adjust the text styles, and the possibilities are endless. After that, you'll want to preview your video. This is where you can make any final tweaks before hitting export. And finally, export and share. It's that simple. Your video is ready to be shared with the world. So, where can you use these AI-generated videos? Pretty much anywhere. For marketing and advertising, they're perfect for creating eye-catching promos in no time. Educators can also benefit by making engaging learning materials without needing a lot of time or resources. And for all the content creators out there, AI video generators are a fantastic way to produce fresh content for social media quickly. Even for personal projects, think birthday videos, wedding montages, AI can handle it all. Of course, like any tool, AI video generators have their pros and cons. On the plus side, they're fast, easy to use, and budget-friendly. They can really open up creative possibilities for just about anyone. But there are a few downsides. Creativity can sometimes feel limited compared to what you might achieve with professional editing software. There might also be quality limitations depending on the platform you use, and, of course, you're somewhat dependent on pre-built templates. But the future of AI in video production is incredibly exciting. As technology evolves, we're likely to see even more advanced features. Think real-time video generation, hyper-customized content, and AI that learns your personal style and preferences. This could fundamentally change the way we think about video creation, making it more accessible and creative than ever before. So, there you have it. Video generators are more than just a cool tool, they're a powerful way to bring your ideas to life quickly and easily. Whether you're looking to save time, enhance your creativity, or just try something new, I highly recommend giving one a try. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. And hey, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Say, have you tried using an video generator? How was your experience? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.